Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we have a water main leak coming from a 4-inch copper water main. This is for a hotel. You see they got these bypasses or backflows. So the main water comes in here. Main water coming from the main backflow outside comes in, goes across to these backflows, and then goes up this main, goes into this main pipe and goes back down and goes over into this hotel. So this is the main water feed for the hotel here. And we're back here. This is the pool room, and this is where your water main comes with all the backflows and the bypasses. Okay, so if you ever need to work on one of the backflows, you can shut off the valves and bypass them. Why they have a couple of them is a strange one, but at the end of the day, that's what they got. So today we're gonna open this up. As you can see, look at the patch. Looks like somebody's been here already. So it's one of those things where we got to see about fixing that pipe. It looks like I said, somebody's been here before, has broken up the concrete, and it just looks like we're back over somehow. The repair wasn't probably done correctly. So what we're gonna do is have a video of this showing you what it is before, and then we're gonna do a after and in between, so we can see when we're breaking up the concrete, and then we could uncover it and we can show how to do the repair on a 4-inch copper water main. Okay, this is Greg with some more educational videos. Sorry, we've been very busy, and I'm trying to get more videos out so you can have an idea of what more about the plumbing situations that come across. Okay, again, this is a 4-inch copper pipe, and it seems that it's leaking, needs to be repaired. So we're gonna break this up, and over here it looks like, you know, we got water coming out and trickling out. So we'll see about getting this repair on from getting it fixed up. Okay, we'll be back with another video, and just wanted to show you that water is just spewing out there. So we gotta break off this concrete and get to the pipe. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to clamp the pipe, get the water to stop, and then we'll work on the pipe and see what we can do about the repair. Okay, this is Greg. This is one of our service repairs, and we'll get back to you with some more videos. Thank you.